Hi everyone, I've got a lovely pasta dish for you today. You can whip this up in about 40 minutes. It's really tasty and delicious, and it's my take on the feta pasta which went viral on TikTok a couple of years ago. I'm not using feta, but feel free to use it if you like. So this is my cheesy tomato, garlic and herb pasta. So get yourself a fairly big dish, and into it I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Into here I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves, chopped nice and fine. If you're using the feta, you could use about 4 garlic cloves. I'm adding a teaspoon of oregano. You can use Italian herbs either. Some salt and black pepper. And some nice cherry tomatoes. I'm going to mix all this together. Great, that's well mixed in now, and all the tomatoes are covered in the oil, herbs and garlic. All right, next for the cheese. For today's video, I'm using this garlic and herb cheese. Usually when I make this, I use these ones from Aldi. They're a mini roll, a garlic and herb mini roll. They're really nice as well, a little bit cheaper than the one I'm using today. So I'm going to get this one into my dish. If you want to use the feta, you can of course. I'm going to sit this in the center like that, and this is going to go into the oven now for about 30 to 35 minutes. It's time to get our pasta on now. My dish in the oven's got about 12 minutes left before it's cooked, so we can put our pasta on and cook it now. In here I've got about 350 grams of pasta. You can use any type of pasta. I've got rigatoni here. I've added some salt, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. This just helps stop the pasta from sticking during cooking. Now into here I'm going to add in my water. I'm going to cover it with some boiling water. And we're going to get this onto a medium heat now. My tomato and cheese is ready. You can see all that lovely juice in there. It smells gorgeous. What I do now is get a spoon or a spatula and I mix all this up. Mix it all together. And I've got my pasta. It's all cooked, so I'm going to put that in there now. And mix it all in. You want all the pasta covered in the cheese and juice from the tomatoes. If you find it's a little bit dry, or if you're heating it up the following day, keep back a little of your pasta water. The pasta water is great for just loosening the sauce on your pasta. You could add some cooked chicken to this with the tomatoes and cheese and bake it all together, and it'd be gorgeous too. Put a little bit of basil on the top. And that's it everyone. That is my cheesy tomato, garlic and herb pasta. It's a gorgeous dish. We all love it here. Try it out and let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you all soon. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy.